How's it, Gangi? Welcome back to our class. Super excited to sort of get started again. I hope all of you are doing well. Um, and I'm coming to you from my new home office. Um, Decided to practice social distancing in the most extreme manner, which is staying at home. So I'm hoping that you're doing the same. And like we spoke about at last time that we met, I'm changing up the format of our Laulima site a little bit. So I wanted to go through this with you so that you know exactly what you need to do and how you need to do it going forward. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to notice when you go onto our Laulima site is that the menu on the left-hand side here has changed. Okay, I have broken the rest of the term out into different units. So the first one that we're going to be working on is Unit 5, right? And here are the dates here. Unit 5 is scheduled to run from March 23rd to 30th. And when you click on this, it'll bring up this page here. Let's see if we can see this like you do. There we go. That's nicer. Okay, so title of this unit is Miando Ao. Little bit of introduction about the unit. And there is this checklist here. These are the two things that you need to be sure to complete before the 30th. First thing is Flipgrid post and replies, which we'll talk a little bit more about. And the second thing is a short quiz that covers the terminology in the reading and the videos. Okay, when you get these done, you can go ahead and check these off and it'll show that you've completed them. All right. And then if we scroll down, you'll see I've got all of our learning materials and activities listed here. So you do not need to worry about going back and forth to the resources folder any longer. What you will notice when you bring up these learning materials is that I've severely sort of trimmed some of the things that were going to be assigned to you. I've taken the readings down to just one, and I think there's a couple of videos. So please do not use your syllabus any longer to figure out what you need to do. Please use this page. Okay, so under learning materials and activities here, you'll see it instructs you to review all the content, including links, before working on the assignments. And once you do these links, the asterisk will turn into a green check mark. Okay, so scroll down. And here, this link here says, click to access Unit 5 videos, readings, and other exciting information regarding Hawaiian art. You're going to click on that, and this is going to take you to a page that has all of your learning materials on it. Okay, so here we are. Unit 5, Miando Ao. And you'll see a listing of the terms that you need to know. Here's the one reading that you need to do. And I know this looks a little small, so all you have to do is click on this pop-out screen and it'll open up large, okay? I've got some interesting facts here. Oh, underneath of this article, it does say which terms you have to look for and understand, okay? Just some images of endemic birds. Here's the first video that you need to watch, and here are the terms to listen for and understand. And this is the second video that you're going to watch. Okay, so you're going to do all of these items. And then the second thing that you're going to do is watch the lecture below. You're going to click on this. And again, this is a small screen, but you can make it bigger. All right, and so eventually my voice comes on and you can follow along on the through those slides. Okay, once you finish doing all of that, then here are your assignments. Okay, first assignment that you're going to have to do, which corresponds, by the way, to the things that are in this blue block up here. First thing you have to do is you have to do a Flipgrid post and some responses. Okay, so let's click on that and see what it looks like. Use Flipgrid to answer the question, what was your main takeaway from the Unit 5 reading, videos, and lecture? You're going to create a video post, and then you're going to respond to at least 2 of your classmates' posts. You're going to click this, log in with Google. And this is what it looks like. You can open it in another window if you want to. Yeah, let's do that so that you can see it more clearly. I'll give it Google. All right, so here we are. And here is the question, right? What was your main takeaway? Create a video response to at least 2 of your classmates' posts. So you just click on this. You guys know what to do with the Flipgrid because you've all done it already, right? And you're going to talk about what you think the main takeaway, what for you personally, what was your main takeaway from the reading and the videos and the lecture. And then you will go ahead and respond to 2 of your classmates' posts. All right, so, and I don't want you to, just like our introduction Flipgrid, please don't just say, wow, cool post, awesome. No, don't do that, okay? Say what you thought, what you thought about what they offered. Did you already know this information? Did you not know this information? Use some critical thinking skills, all right? These are going to be graded, by the way, so please do a good job on them. All right. So that's the first assignment. The second assignment is a short quiz, just 5 matching questions. You're going to click on that and you'll be able to access, this is not showing up yet because I have it dated to open up on Tuesday, right? But that's how you'll access it. All right, so going forward, this is how it's going to look. We're going to have different units on this side. They're going to be timed to open. For instance, right, these are not visible yet because they're not open yet, but this is how our Unit 6 will be broken up as well. Okay, so again, if you have any questions, please let me know. I've made some changes to our assignments as promised. I have pared down a bunch of the assignments because I'm trying to honor the fact that you guys are in a crazy period of transition. And I don't know how many courses you're taking, but I wanted to make sure that this course is manageable. So I am canceling all of the map quizzes. All right, there'll be no more map quizzes. You will, though, be taking your Unit 2 exam online, same format as before. You'll be doing that on the 31st of March. All right, so that's why all of these things in Unit 5 are due on the 30th. So please be sure to manage your time, right? Being that we are asynchronous, I'm not mandating that we get together at a particular time. And so, but please be sure to get your work done. And I will be sending out periodic reminders about this, just so that you don't forget that we've got stuff due for our class. Okay. What else have I got here? All right. I think I've covered just about everything. Okay, so going forward again, you're going to see the unit numbers on the left side of our Laulima page, and you'll be able to access everything that you need there. You should not have to keep going to the resources folder. You should not have to keep going into assignments. I am still trying to decide what to do for the service learning. So please give me a couple more days to figure that out, and I will be sending out an announcement. Okay. So yeah, I think that that's it. I look forward to hearing from you guys. Oh, last thing, sorry. I will be having online office hours, and I think we talked about this in our last class. And I'm going to have these office hours on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 11 in the morning till noon. And I will be sending an announcement on this. And basically what I'll be doing is I'll just be sitting in my virtual office waiting for you guys to pop in with questions. Okay. I think it's really important that you come and check me out if you need to, if you have any questions about how to navigate. And also, I mean, I'd just love to say how's it. So please feel free to pop in into my virtual Zoom office during those hours, and I'll send an announcement about this. Okay. All right. Well, I look forward to keeping in touch, and I hope you like the new format of our class. All right. Please be safe out there, you guys. Malama pono. Ahuiho.